Okay, this is a short little video on this cross manifold setup. I got all my plumbing supply stuff from, believe it or not, Plumbing Supply online. It's a great resource. It's like, you know, when you order the stuff, it's almost like they shipped it from the basement. It came like, you know, you hit the enter button and it seemed like it was at your front yard, you know, wherever they drop it off, at the front porch, the driveway, wherever. It really worked out well, the Plumbing Supply. The cross manifold, I hooked it up. It's very easy to use. The instructions are very explanatory. You know, you got this little box here where you set up your thermostats. You know, I got two thermostats and I got an override here. If I flick that, that's basically a test thermostat. So, you know, this comes with the cross manifold. I had to buy this Upnor pump relay separate, which wasn't a big deal. It's and what that does, that, you know, turns on my one circulator pump. The way I have this set up is one circulator pump, and you know, I have a manifold setup which basically has 6 different zone valves in there. These zone valves are actuated by a linear motor. What happens is it basically toggles them open and closed, so you don't have actual solenoid at all. You just have a lead screw that traverses back and forth in this area here, and a detent that comes in and pushes them left or right, opens and closes. And above that you have, you know, obviously you have your flow meters. And I got to tell you, quite honestly, this cross setup, for what it costs, you get a lot with it. You get both stainless manifolds, you get the shutoffs, you get the temperature gauges, you know, you get it all assembled. You get your thermistor set up there where you put your thermostat, you know, where you put your thermostat there. It really works out well. I must say though, when I plugged it in, it didn't work. They got a little plug here that powers it up. When you plug it in the first time, you know, anytime you turn the power on and off, or off and on I should say, this carriage, you go back and forth, it homes or does whatever its startup routine. Anyway, it did not work. So I tried and tried and tried. Anyway, I called Cross up. Excellent service. They're a Canadian company. They shipped another one. I had it like 3 days later. It works perfect. Their customer support is unbelievable. So I think it's going to be a great manifold assembly. Only time will tell. You know, obviously, you know, what most people would think about, and me too, let's say something breaks. I can only guess they're a good company, and I'll be able to get replacement parts forever. But time will tell. How's that? So the cross manifold setup worked out very well. And the way the thermistor works with this boiler setup, I have the thermistors, or sorry, I keep saying thermistors. I have the thermostats coming into this card here like I discussed. There's an output that goes into this pump relay. So this pump relay controls the pump, of course, but there's an output from there that goes over to my combination boiler. So the thermostat card doesn't go direct to the combination boiler. The thermostat card goes to this, then this goes to the combination boiler. The combination boiler, just so you know, it does not control the pump at all. All it does is put out heat. And what this box does here, this box tells the combination boiler to start working. So, but anyway, it's a very nice setup. If you have a chance to purchase one, I think you'll be happy with it. So hope you enjoyed this video.